What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Alicia Kim say, I do. But not to who you think. The marriage certificate say one name. The truth say another. The secrets the husband have never been seen or heard in the public until of late. Can you imagine? You don't know who you're really in a relationship with. You don't know who you're really married to. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? You know, all right out there? It's a very beautiful and nice day. How you feeling? You know, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, as always, we say, if you are feeling any pain, go and check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor or meet the doctor. Come to your house if you have the money. If you don't worry yourself. We're going to make somebody carry you to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. Wellness check is very important at this time because mental health crisis is no joke and it's not something to play around with. Wellness check, mental health. Guys, don't forget about domestic violence, domestic abuse. Anything domestic at this time is very dangerous. Check it out. Make sure you check on each person, your friends, and your family. If you hear something, do something or say something about it. And guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord keep you and carry you to see many, many more birthdays. And if yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday to you. Guys, as always, thank you very much for watching the video them. Thank you for watching the video them. But if you go and watch the video them, like up the video them, share the video them, and comment on the video them. Guys, Alicia Kim is doing a series on who did she marry. But my question is, really and truly, who did Alicia Kim really marry to? And did Alicia Kim really know who she is getting married to? No, she did not know. She did not know who she was getting into a marriage with. She didn't know who she was in a relationship with. She did not know any of those things because she never asked. She never need to ask at the time because everything was all just coming quick, coming fast onto her. As you all know, it is said that it's a family member who attached her to Maki. However, Maki said that he know of Alicia Kim's mother because you all don't realize and know that Maki knew what he was doing. So, in other words, Maki lie his way in to Alicia Kim's heart. But at the same time, she still did not know who she was really getting in a relationship with. I listened to Alicia Kim talking about things that happen in the relationship. that now she's looking at it and realize, oh, wow, I never see those things, or I should have seen those things. But sometimes life is just what you see and what you make of it. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say a couple things within these videos. I want you to sit, watch, listen to what I'm saying, and put two and two together, because there's things that I'm about to say in this video that will have you going, oh, whoa, and all those kind of things. First, I'm going to start off with the 3rd of April, 2018. The 3rd, Alicia Kim and Maki connected. Yes, April 3rd, 2018 was the date when they connected. Alicia Kim did not know that she was walking into a person of lies, cheating, scammers, scamming, malicious, narcissist, control. She did not know that she was walking in one of the worst things she have ever done in her life. She never know that. She did not know it was all set like a fairy tale come to pass. She find the right guy. However, the guy named Mackie Delroy McCoy, aka Mackie, was such a person that know what he was doing so much that he planned it out, he set it out. It took him 3 months to plan how he's going to sweep Alicia Kim off her feet. Remember, after they connected over the phone, good old WhatsApp, it was 3 months of phone, phone, phone dialogues. Then the real connection. Now, guys, this is something I want you to sit down and look at and think about. While they were talking over the phone, Maki did not tell Alicia Kim anything about his past life. Nope, he did not say anything about his past life. And he didn't say much about his present life either, because he was lying through his teeth, telling her all kind of persona. He was building a case of relationship that will include, I will do this, I'm going to do this, because he have that little money from the house that he sell with Betty, that same lady that he was cheating with. And Alicia, well, he was cheating on Betty with Alicia Kim, because while he was with Betty, he was with Alicia Kim over the phone. And that's the reason why the phone calls that Alicia Kim was getting have to be precise. They have to be precise. But guys, all through that, he still never tell Alicia Kim who he really was. He did not tell her anything about his past. Alicia Kim never have the time or never think of, let me check this guy out really good. Let me find out about who he is. No, because at the time she did not have to do that, because love was in the air. Yes, love was in the air. Meanwhile, Maki, aka Delroy McCoy, have his plans up his sleeve to marry Alicia Kim real quick, get her out of Jamaica, to come in the United States to help him, Delroy McCoy, and his sisters to gain more access to a house so they can able to spin it, turn it, sell it, and make money. Alicia Kim did not know all those stuff because Maki did not sell those things. Maki sell Alicia Kim love. Maki sell Alicia Kim, wow, the best life you will ever have with me if you be with me. Maki also tricked Alicia Kim by saying, I am not coming back to Jamaica. None at all. So now that we are married, the best thing for you in life is to come to the United States so we can live together. Alicia Kim says, okay, no problem. Because I won't be living in Jamaica while my husband is in the United States. So, okay, no problem. Let's look about paperwork. Come to the US real quick. Alicia Kim did not push Maki to do all these things. No, Maki himself pushed these things onto Alicia Kim so that Alicia Kim can come to America real quick. Up to all this time, Maki have never tell Alicia Kim that I am a felon. No. Up till this time, Maki have not tell Alicia Kim that I am I have a daughter, I have a son, I have a kid that I grape and get. Up till that time, he never tell Alicia Kim none of those stuff. But to my senses, why would you hide those things? The only reason why you would hide those things is because you know that those things is problem. If Alicia Kim should know, one, the felony that you have in the United States of America is because of domestic violence. Because you are a very hungry person. Guys, just hold on. By the way, guys, if you reach this far in the video, did you like the video? Did you thumbs up the video? Did you share the video? Or have you commented yet on the video? Come on, comment on the video, like the video, share the video, thumbs up the video. Anyway, guys, while Maki is doing all these things to make Alicia Kim feel love, feel so comfortable, he was lying through his teeth. He knew that all I have to do is continue to show that I am so much in love with you, also because I'm a narcissist. Yes. But guys, there is something else that I also want to say to you all out there. Alicia Kim have no idea who she really married to because all Maki's dirty laundry was hidden. Nobody know about some of the things that he have done. Now stick up it, and I'm going to say something to you right here. You all remember when Alicia Kim said, Maki said to her, no wonder why people find some of you women in bushes or wrapped up in things in Jamaica. Have any of you remember that? Now my head and my brains is asking the question. This may be a very indicative question, and I go ask it as a question. I am wondering if Maki have any, what should I use? Have any deeper secret hidden in bushes in Jamaica? Hold on a little bit. Let me ask the question again. I am wondering if Mackie have any deeper secret hiding in the bushes in Jamaica. Because when a man is going to use those kind of words to a woman, is either he already done it, know about it done, or planning to do it, if you get what I mean. Now, my viewers and subscribers, what I'm trying to say to you all out there is that Alicia Kim is very lucky because she have no idea who she was married to. We all know that Alicia Kim was married to a rapist, a narcissist, a womanizer, a cheater, well, a serial cheater, a serial scammer, an abuser, mentally and physically, and a felon who used a firearm in a domestic violence, firing that firearm over the head of a woman that he's married to. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to sit down and really think about who Alicia Kim really was married to. This is a man with a lot of secret, a lot of dirty history towards women. From school days, this Mackie been treating woman like nothing. The same woman that bring him into the United States of America. And the same woman that he get married to, the first woman he get married to, the first woman who divorced him, that he couldn't get the upper hand on, was that Jackie? Jacqueline? I think it was Jacqueline, the first one, first wife. My viewers and subscribers, I want you all to take in what I'm saying and realize that many of these ladies that Mackie have been in relationship with comes out of it with nothing, comes out of the relationship losing everything. Alicia Kim is the only woman that comes out of the relationship with Mackie with some type of something, and it's because she was brought up properly, she was taught properly, and her dad was by her side, along with the good old Jesus Christ, God, whatever word you want to use, was beside her. Now, guys, I'm going to jump into something a little bit more to show you exactly what I mean. Why did you all believe that Mackie, knowingly that Alicia Kim cannot swim, but yet still he put Alicia Kim on the back of that jet ski, wait until the camera turns off, then he tilt the bike and throw her off the bike. Why do you think at that specific time was the time he did that? Maki did that because that's the only time he could get to do that because there was no camera and it would be out in the ocean. There would be nothing tied to him because it's in the sea. He cannot stop fish from doing what they do best. So that's the perfect place that will leave him without any trace. Are you following? Throughout the marriage, throughout this marriage, everything seems to look good. But as you hear in Alicia Kim, who did I marry? She's letting you know she knew, she feel that things wasn't right. That's the reason why she started to save her money. Meanwhile, Maki was trying to take her out of this world, but don't know how. That's why I'm wondering. And that's why I'm saying to you all, there's a lot more that Alicia Kim did not really know about who she married. Maki is a lot more than what you all think. Maki have done a lot more than what you all think. That's the reason why you have to realize that what Maki did, walking out, was because Maki realized that he cannot take that pressure. And for him to stay around and not able to accomplish what he really want to accomplish, the best thing for him is to walk away. Maki didn't just walk away just because. He walked away because he realized Alicia Kim is not easy to take out. Maki did not just walk away just like that. Maki walked away because he realized Alicia Kim is not a walk in the park. He realized that the person who is guarding Alicia Kim is way powerful than him, Maki, and his sisters. Let me say this to you out there. Maki's sisters know exactly what Maki is doing. They are the, the contributor of what Maki is doing. My viewers and subscribers, sometimes when you sit down and you listen to what Alicia Kim is saying, you have to wonder, really and truly wonder, who did Alicia Kim really and truly married to? Who did she marry to? A cheater, a serial cheater, a felon, a domestic felon, a beater, a user, a scammer. That's who Alicia Kim was married to. I am wondering who else is out there hidden in the bushes of Jamaica that Maki, aka Delroy McCoy, knows about. Now let me say this. 1983, when Maki leave Jamaica, and you live in Papine, Alicia Kim mother have a little as of a stall, and your family live in Papine, and you tell me you go back and forth to Papine after you get straight and become a citizen, and your word is you never really know of Alicia Kim. You never really know of the family. Come on now. Let's be honest. The Alicia Kim mother have somewhere you can go buy food. Your family live down the street, maybe 2, 3 blocks away, and you would not know about Alicia Kim. Now, let us go back to Jamaica. Let us go back to Jamaica, not Kingston, Jamaica. Let's do Jamaica. A nice, clean young lady live in the community. Every man is going to know about her. Every single man is going to know, not know about her any sexual way, but they're going to know that that lady have a nice young lady down there going to such and such school. Yes, everybody is going to be looking to want to go to that shop to buy food. So are you telling me that your family member never been in that shop? But no, they will not be in that shop if you would think about it, because there was issues between a couple people. I won't call any names. But you lied, because the same individual that you said know of Alicia Kim mother was your friend for a very, very long time. So how comes you don't know about them? Lie. You didn't want nobody to know about your dirty secrets. But Maki, let me tell you something. Woe be unto the day I find out your dirty secret, the full 100 of that dirty secret you're holding. When I find that dirty secret you're holding, because I'm looking, I will let you and everybody know. My viewers and subscribers, who did Alicia Kim really marry? She don't even know. Maki is one wicked with a lot of dirty secrets. A lot of dirty secrets Maki have, and did not explain, did not say nothing to Alicia Kim about those dirty secrets, because he knew that if she knew about those dirty secrets, she ain't gonna be in a relationship with him, because she knew what she wants. He knows that if she knew about her dirty life, she would not be in the relationship with him. Just think about it. Alicia Kim said it's Maki's daughter and other people who was enlightening her about some of the things that Maki have done or was doing while they were talking back and forth over the phone while she was in Jamaica. Now let's be honest. Let's be honest here. Man will be talking to a lady from far away and still talking to another person. But at the time, while you come out with all these information, blasting out over the internet, you was with a woman while doing all these things. What a wicked. How you so wicked? How you so wicked, Maki? What else do you have hiding? What else do you have hiding? Maki, let me say this to you. Do you realize where Alicia Kim is today and where you are today? All you did was lies, lies, lies. Do you believe that if you have come clean to Alicia Kim, you would be more in a better place than what you is today? We all see it and know that you would be in a better place. But